So a lot of people ask me, well, I guess you're wondering why on the back of this MUX here is this piece of cardboard with some tape and looks like a bit of a dog's breakfast going on here. Well, there's a reason behind it. This is what we're going to call a rear window stone protector. Now you can buy really fancy ones that clip on with Velcro and all that sort of stuff. But when you're out in the bush and you smash your rear window, I'll tell you what, it's all bad. Now why does the rear window get smashed? Well, it gets smashed because you're towing a camper trailer or you're towing a caravan. And generally what happens is all the rocks that come from the back of the car, they hit these little stone protectors. They hit the front of the caravan and they bounce onto your back window. So something as simple as a bit of cardboard and some tape could save you a hell of a lot of heartache and a lot of grief.